Hey everybody, it's Austin with Rifle Rod and Repair. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change the blade out on your lawnmower, but more specifically the mulching lawnmower blade that Hipa has to offer. It's got great quality and sharpness. I'll show you in the video, as well as I'll show you me cutting the grass so you know it works. So let's flip this thing over, take off the old blade, and put this new one on. All right, the mower's flipped. As you can see, the old one's on here, and our new one's in the box. Let's open this thing up. All right, let's check this thing out. Gloves, because I know this thing's going to be sharp. Mower blade. It's got a little edge protector in here, comes wrapped up. You could tell just by feeling it right out of the box that this is a good quality product. Let's get it out of this wrapping. I mean, solid quality. Comes with an edge right out of the box. You've got some numbers stamped in there, or stamped. Phenomenal. Let's go ahead and take that old blade off and put the new one on. We've got a piece of wood blocking our blade. And most importantly, before even turning the blade or touching anything here, I disconnected the spark plug. So there's no chance that this can start while I'm working on the blade. So as you can tell, there's only one nut in the middle. There's a piece in front of the blade that holds it on. As long as you have something to block your blade and your spark plug's taken off, you're good to start loosening this bolt in the middle. In my specific case, I'm using a 5/8 socket. Starts getting loose, you're going to go ahead and take this wood block out. And you can loosen it by hand. And they'll both come off. Here you can clearly tell that the Hipa blade is far better quality. The other one has started to be pitted by rust. The edge has been chipped a little bit, as opposed to the brand new blade. It's the exact same fit as the OEM one. It's not off at all. But far better quality. Let's get this thing on the mower. So just like before, we're going to basically just repeat our steps, but in reverse. We're going to hand tighten this down. Now that we've got it hand tight, let's go ahead and block this again, tighten it down. All right, guys, we got our new blade installed. There's only one thing left to do, and that's go test it out. So let's take it out in the yard and see how this thing cuts. As you guys could see, it worked out great. Thanks for watching Rifle Rod and Repair. I'm going to link all this stuff down in the description, as well as if you want to click the link in my bio and use the code Rifle Rod and Repair, you'll save some money off of any Hipa products that they have online. It's a great option when you don't want to pay the full price of OEM stuff and get something for a little bit cheaper just to get your mower by for another season or multiple seasons. So I've been using this stuff so far on all my equipment. You can check it out on all my past videos and see that this stuff is actual quality. So head to Hipa's website. It's hipastore.com and check out their stuff and use code Rifle Rod and Repair to save yourself some money. Thank you.